Welcome to the Cottack Workshop. Today's video we're going to be talking about a garden bench that was given as a gift for a 50th wedding anniversary, and after a few years of sitting in the garden needed a little bit of TLC. So looking at the photographs, I thought, yeah, that looks like something we can help with. Probably won't make the most exciting video for YouTube, but certainly it's a piece of sentimental value. 50th wedding anniversary, needs a bit of touch-up. Super. So this is the bench, and you can see that it needs a bit of touch-up. And then we saw the front leg, and this is when I realised that this was going to be a little bit more involved as a repair. So we brought it back to the workshop to do an inspection. So lots of scraping and sanding to remove the existing coating which had started to flake. So did this outside, makes quite a bit of mess. Then we had to tackle this rotten foot, and you can really see how powdery and flaky it is. You can see it's very flaky and not going to be structurally sound. Let's do something about that. So initially I tried a 45-degree cut to see if I could remove the damaged wood but retain as much of the strong solid wood as possible. You can see how far the rot has gone up. So this is all good, but this is still a bit weak. So I don't know whether to go further back. So I did indeed have to cut that away, and tried to keep a bit of the mortise and tenon joint. So here I'm fitting the replacement, and have clamped and glued it. I carved out the shape of the joint. Here's an inspection from Toffee after an initial bit of hand planing. And here you can see where I was trying to match the grains of the two pieces. Obviously I've got to match the colour as well, but starting with the grain. I made some forms out of wood and taped them up. I used a two-part epoxy for making the replacement at the base. This is product Epoxy, it's from Germany. And you mix 2 parts of part A to 1 part of part B by volume, and then you've got a certain amount of working time before it sets hard. I levelled the bench first so that I knew that these would all be at the same level. And here's the finished effect. It's a bit eerie being able to look through into the wood beneath. I then took a block plane and chamfered off the edges. A bit more sanding. There's me starting to do the colour matching as well of the replacement piece. And then a final finish and polish, and there we have it.
You got new legs. New leg.
I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly enjoyed bringing that bench back to life, and it's ready for delivery, and hopefully will last for many years to come and give a lot of pleasure for people sitting out in their garden. See you next time.